Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. So in today's video, we're taking a quick look at the unboxing of the OnePlus Buds Z, but this is the Stephen Harrington edition. So this is the latest one from OnePlus. Apparently it's being sold for a very affordable price at about 229 ringgit here in Malaysia. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how this actually looks like in person in the video. I'll be unboxing this guy right here, but before I do that, I just want to go through a couple of key features that you probably might want to know here. Apparently it comes with bass boost, so expect a lot of bass on this guy right here. It also offers up to 20 hours of battery life, water and sweat resistance, so definitely good for you guys who are at home doing your workouts. And of course a comfortable and cool design, but we'll talk about that later, and the seamless connection. So yep, now that we've got the key features out of the way, let's unbox this Stephen Harrington edition right here and see what's really in the box. Alright, so just going to peel through these plastic pieces right here. I'm not that good at doing that, but we've got this out of the way, and let's try and unbox this version right here. If you just give me a few seconds. And whoo, there you go guys. This is actually looks pretty crazy actually, the Stephen Harrington edition. I don't know what to say about this. It does look very fancy. The box itself looks fancy. Very surprised by this presentation. I have not seen any other unboxing videos on YouTube yet, so this is my first actual unboxing of the OnePlus Buds Z Stephen Harrington edition. So let's remove this guy from the box itself and see what else we do get. There is a pull tab right here, so I'm expecting to see some stuff at the back. Yep, we do get this Buds for Life thing here in the back. Let's see whether we get anything else. We do get that one more Type-C charging cable. So you're going to charge this with your Type-C. And there's also a couple of other earbuds in the back here. It comes with different sizes. Notice that it comes in this greenish and purplish color earbuds tips, or whatever you call them. But yeah, very cool stuff here. I love the color combination of this guy right here. And that's pretty much what you get in the box. Nothing too fancy. I was expecting some kind of stickers or something, but yeah, you don't get anything else in the box here. All right, let's check out the earbuds themselves. So let's unwrap this guy very quickly. And ooh, guys, I think it looks really good. I mean, I've seen the original white version, and previously I did a very quick review on that on my Facebook page, and I noted that the case in the original one, the white one, looked very generic. It felt a bit cheap if you ask me, but this version right here feels so much better. Everything here is in matte-ish materials, even the cap at the top here, which used to be those glossy plastics on the white version. So this is definitely feels very much more premium or more expensive to touch and feel as well. So let me just show you guys the designs around the entire earbuds right here. We do get these very crazy kind of printings on the casing of it all over. And yeah, I'm not sure if you like these kind of designs, but it does look very cool here on this guy right here. So on the top, we also have a couple of designs right there. So let's open the case and see what else we get. We do get more craziness here. So let me just zoom in a little bit more so you can see it. We do have these very cool designs. It just looks very cool, guys. So I'm going to remove these earbuds here, and notice that one is in purple and the other one is in this kind of teal or aqua blue kind of color. But yes, it looks really, really cool here on these ear tips right there. Alright, so I'm just going to try and put this in my ears and see how they look. Hopefully it doesn't look too funny on me. And yeah, this is how it looks like in person. Yeah, you got to look at this window up here. One purple and one in teal or something like that. So this is how it looks like if you guys are planning to get this particular earbuds right here. I would say it looks kind of fancy as well, but yeah, very comfortable in the ears. Like I said, I've actually reviewed the previous version, the totally white plain vanilla version, and the sound quality from these earbuds is actually pretty good. You do get that very good bass. One thing I did note when I was trying out the OnePlus Buds Z previously was that the audio quality from phone calls was actually pretty good. So I'm expecting the same here, because this is essentially the same thing, but just in a different skin. But apart from that, yes, you should expect some very good audio quality here. You do not have ANC, there's no active noise cancellation, but with these earbuds, these rubber tips in your ears, it should be able to isolate some kind of noise away, and it does fit pretty snug in my ears. Apart from that, that's pretty much what you would get with this OnePlus Buds Z right here. Let me try and put it back very quickly. You got to put it back. The case does feel very nice. It doesn't feel very flimsy. It is a bit how should I say it? Yeah, it feels alright, it feels alright. And this is how the OnePlus Buds Z Stephen Harrington edition looks like. You can get it for 229 ringgit when it goes on sale on Shopee Malaysia. And yes, if you're looking for something like this, feel free to check it out. Alright guys, if you like this video, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!